Hi guys, welcome back to Swadaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to remove stories from Flipboard magazine. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that you have to do, you have to open your magazine in the app. I'm gonna open the app now. And I'm gonna go to my magazine here. After that, you just have to open the item like this. Then in the bottom, when you see the three dots option, you have to tap on it. And scroll it down to the bottom until you see remove from magazine and tap on it. In this pop-up, again, you have to tap on remove. So yeah, now your story from your magazine is already gone. So yeah guys, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will helpful. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.